Hey everybody, thank you for watching, taking the time and watching this video. I just want to get a message out there quickly, as I promise I won't take too much of your time. Now, I hear the question, how do you get in front of a camera and speak to everybody, speak the way you do? You seem to come across with loads of confidence when you're coming in front of a camera. That's just me. I speak to people on a daily basis. I own a hair salon and I run an online business. So people speak to me all the time. So I've got to speak to them. And getting in front of a camera, to start off with, you know, I was absolutely pathetic. I used to go and get dressed up in a suit, put my suit and tie on, sit in front of a camera, rehearse all the time, and, you know, try and film myself reading something that was, you know, it didn't come out right. And I used to do probably about 50, 60 takes. Didn't really like nail it at all. But when I look back at myself, I felt stupid. So I decided to take the leap of faith and put a camera right up in front of me and then just started talking. And do you know what? You know, I don't really look at myself in a camera. I'm using my phone, so I'm looking straight at the lens just there. So I'm not really actually seeing myself in the middle. So I find it a little bit easier because I am talking about it. And if I want to talk about something, I'll just flip the camera on, put it on myself, and then talk about the subject. I get it. I get people why they're so nervous in front of the camera. They feel like they're looking at their lips, they're looking at the face, they're looking at the hair. They think whether they look stupid enough, whether they're wearing the right clothes, whether the background's enough. It doesn't matter. What matters is the information that you're sharing. People aren't going to be looking at you going, oh, look at her hair. Oh, look at what she's not a professional. Look at her. It doesn't matter about what you look like. It matters about the message. The message is the most important thing that you want to get out there. And if you know that it's going to benefit people, people are going to want to watch your video. That's it. Then post it everywhere. Post your video everywhere. It doesn't matter what you look like. You can sit out in the garden, you can sit in your house, you can sit in your bedroom. Doesn't matter. Go and watch a few YouTube videos. These people out there that are talking about like hotel rooms where they're going to sit and sleep in the hotel rooms, talking about like things that they pick up and they do all this, talking about this and that. You know, look how they're doing it. Half the time, they've got massive roots on their hair coming from a professional hairstylist. So people have got massive roots and it's sometimes it's greasy. It doesn't matter. As long as it's the message that is important and you're getting it out there, that is the main thing, okay? So go ahead, create a couple of videos, watch it back, criticize yourself, but post it out there. If you're getting the message across and you're getting the message out there, that is what it's all about. It's all about that importancy, the urgency of getting your message out there that's going to benefit people that are going to be watching your video. Okay, so go ahead, create those videos. I want to see some, tag me in it as well, please.